How to fix contact key verification unavailable error in your iPhone or iPad. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix contact key verification unavailable error. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So right here, instead of this on button, you get unavailable in your contact key verification. There can be many reasons for it. So the first can be your Wi-Fi instability whenever you're setting it up. So make sure that you check for your Wi-Fi, and you can just turn on and turn off your airplane mode as well. So after doing that, make sure that you're connected back into your Wi-Fi while you're setting up your contact key verification. So you can head back to your settings and set it up again. Even after doing that, if that does not fix your issue, the reason can be your iPhone's iOS version is not up to date. So to change that, head over to your settings, scroll down till you find General, and right there find Software Update. Now check for any software update available, and if you find a software update available, simply tap on Update Now to update to the latest version. After you do that, your problem should get fixed, and yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.